Are you sure, Tommy? You're forcing it.
No, but this, there, they go with these, watch. That one's gonna go with this. Just like the last time, the girl who used to do it told me, oh, give it this acid.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. Ngayong araw is magkakatayo. Where's the... Oh, this one. This is the sharp scissor. Maliligo yan si Mister. Ako tapos ako maligo. Maligo yan siya ngayon. You can show, love? Okay. Oh, look at that. She cry. Okay, so ito guys, galing sa isang bahay. I think I have to clean this. I have to clean this first kasi madami. Dito sa ilalim. Linisin ko to. Itong mga dito sa ilalim, linisin ko muna bago lagyan. Yan dito guys. Kasi nilagyan namin ng yung mga kaldero, umitim yung wood. Okay, so ilabas ko tong mga ito. Kasi dito ko din nilagay itong mga vinegar, ganun, oil, at saka look, andito, madumi, oh. Dahil ito sa kaldero, itong kaldero na to, umitim kasi. Yan. Oh my, we have flour here. Ha? Yeah, so ilabas ko lang itong mga... So, aalis din kami, punta lang kami. Magbili kami ng kape. Excuse me. Wala na pala kaming kape. And, yun. Hindi ako nag-vlog. I don't know if nag-vlog. Pero wala ako. Hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog. There's a lot of vinegar here, honey. Marami. Look, ang dami palang nakalagay dito sa ilalim. Nako, talagang asawa ko, oh. This one, I will put this in the basement because we don't use this. It takes space. Hindi namin ito ginagamit, eh. Oh, look. It won't even fit. This one is not in here, right? It won't fit. So this one is like for cooking hard meat. I'm not gonna put that here.
Well, that's a steamer tray.
Yeah. Look, we have a lot of space here. Oh, this is what I've been looking for. Look. Right here, oh. Oh my god, this is what I've been looking for.
Mortar and pestle?
Where you can grind. Okay, leave it there. Okay, I'm gonna clean this here and then put a sherry here. Okay, guys. So, maglinis lang ako dito. Maglilinis lang ako mga ka-everything. And yun, lagyan natin ng protection yung wood doon kasi naano na talaga siya. Dahil dito, oh, pasok, labas, kaya na umitim yung area na yan. Ito yung measuring natin. Ito yung parang hindi siya measuring. Ito yung yun yung natin parang guide kung gaano kataas. Yan, ito siya. Isang ganito at saka parang dito lang. So, ngayon, ito na siya. Kailangan lang siyang may malagay na mabigat para mag-stay siya. Kasi, yung sa mga gilid-gilid, ano siya. So, yun. Ilagay ko tong mga malalaki sa likuran. Katulad nito. Ito, magagamit ko man ito kapag mag-boil something, diba? Napag-isip-isip ko guys na dito ko na lang ilagay yung mga panglutuan ko. Hindi na itong mga ganito kasi para isahan lang sila dyan para ano. At saka ito yung lutuan namin. Nakalimutan ko na kasi nabibered. Talaga nabibered. Natabunan, nabibered. Whatever. Natabunan siya ng ano, mga cutting ano natin. So ngayon, dito na lang yung mga baking, lutuan. And guys, alam nyo ba? Ang dami pa dito. So, ito, gamitin ko na lang ito sa mga dito. Kasi, nasasayang yung space dito. Kasi, look, ang daming ano ni Tami, electric na pang grill. Meron pang isa. Meron pang mga ganon. So, ang bibilhin ko na lang is yung ibang, yung mga ganito. Yung ito. Para malagay ko yung mga ano, ganun. Ito dito yung mga takip ng kaldero, ganun. So, yan siya guys. And, ang dito naman is rice cooker, may tuwalya, ito. So, ano natin ito, parang isahin kasi nasasayang yung mga cabinet dahil sa mga ano na hindi natin ginagamit palagi. So guys, alam nyo, we have a lot of cooking thing, but we don't cook a lot. It's just us, and look, this one downstairs, ito din sa downstairs, pang baking, pang roast, and ito together with this thing, dami oh, mga lutuan na hindi namin ginagamit. Yun.
Screwy pan that
What is screwy?
the little one that's got the ridges on is very light duty.
It's over here. I'll put it here because maybe we might use it. Okay, go your shower. My God, this is my thing here. Go shower. Don't shake your head. All of this should be... I'm gonna buy another bin.
Oh, you know what? Watch. I'll bet those are these.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what they are.
Oh, that's good for like container. Look.
Because you like.
Are you sure, Tommy? You're forcing it.
No, I bet this. There, they go with these. Watch. That one's gonna go with this.
Okay.
Now you know where to go.
Yeah. Where is the other one you got? You put it
Right up
here.
there. Then you gotta find the other big one like this.
Okay, look.
No, there's another little one like.
Oh well, that's the only thing I saw
I
here.
just put it down there.
That's the one that you put here. Yes, that's really it, huh?
So I got two bigger ones. There's another. There's gotta be another big bowl like this.
It's over here. Oh no, this is not for that. Look, this one. It doesn't need to be covered.
that's not that one.
This one is different. I don't know where it. I don't know, Tommy. This is the only thing I need here. This one I'll put it here. I need to buy more of that. We're going to Big Lots. I'm gonna find more of that. Ito, hindi ko to ginagamit palagi. Pero, I will put this here. Kasi paminsan carrots. I have to shred carrots. So, yeah. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna finish this. So, itong nasa ibabaw, hindi ko siya malagay muna sa baba. Kasi, Tommy have to put, how do you call that, Han?
What?
To put together the shelving. Yeah, because kailangan ko siyang may shelf talaga para one day, if I decided to use one of them, it's easy to, it's easy to locate. Alam nyo naman sa basement, ang daming mga anik-anik, so gusto kong nasa shelf siya.
Alright, so we're gonna keep an eye open for another one to use.
Okay.
And another bowl like this.
Another bowl like that?
Right, it's gonna be one more bowl like this. And one more top like this.
So, let me finish this thing, guys. Hi, guys. Dito lang sana yung i-arrange ko. Pero, naging lahat na ng drawer. Dito lang na area dito yung inano ko kasi para naman siya, para hindi makalat kasi ang daming gamit and then hindi na alam kung anong gagamitin and then andito na lahat and then wala nang space sa mga ginagamit kasi yung naandito yung mga hindi ginagamit. And then pupunta kami ng Big Lots, guys, and maraming card si Tommy, gift card. Last year pa ito. So, kailangan ko siyang tawagan kung magkano yung laman. And then, ito yung gagamitin namin kasi bibili kami ng coffee. Ang mahal ng coffee kasi.
Calling vanilla gift cards. For English, press 1. Please enter the 4-digit expiration date located on the front of your card. Your vanilla gift card is ready to use and has a balance of $0 and 0 cents. Currently, no pending transactions have posted to this account. 5 transactions.
Zero. I think I used it something.
To register your card.
Okay, that's zero. So this TD Bank, for sure there is still money here.
Enter the 3-digit security code located on the back of your card. Account as of March 3rd, 2021. The available balance on this account is $45.00.
This is 45. Dalawang box na coffee na ito.
The available balance on this account is $45.00. The available balance on this account is $50.00. This includes any pending transactions.
Hindi kasi ito magagamit online, guys. Ito yung pinakamaling ginawa ni Tommy na ano siya, gift card na pangregalo. So, yung binigyan niya dito is ako, yung pamangkin niya, yung kapatid niya. So, ang pinaka-problema dito is hindi siya magagamit through online. For example, if you wanna order through Amazon, kung meron kang gustong bibilhin, hindi mo siya magagamit dahil ano lang siya, pang in person. Ganun, para siyang credit card, na debit card. Para siyang pang debit card. Hindi siya, mas mabuti nga yung debit card, magagamit mo online. So, this is useless. So, kaya natagalan siya. Andun lang sa bag ni Tommy. Sabi ko, ilabas mo niyan lahat. Gamitin natin yan. Bibili tayo ng kape. No, I have it here. I have all the container. This is me and mom that we never used. And this is for things over there. That's locked. That's sealed.
Yeah, but this is a bigger than regular box.
Me and Mom have a cereal here. This is my favorite cereal. You remember this? I don't know. This is sealed though. It smells still good.
I'm sure it is.
Ilagay ko lang dito yung mga... Si Tami may kausap si Rich. Sabi ko, Han, ask him about what he said about Philippines. Sabi pa niya, there's no snow over there. Eventually, she will go over there. He said, eventually, I'm gonna go there. And Tommy said, so is that really fixed? Is that really... I said, and then if Rich is really going to the Philippines, guys, ang ano ko sa kanya is Bohol. Kasi gusto ko sa Bohol. Gusto din ako mag-Bohol. Kung uuwi ako, Bohol talaga ako eh. Ito yung cereal ni Tamer. Kung si Tami mahilig mag-cereal, bibili-bili. Hindi kakainin. Matapon lang. Masarap na siya. Masarap itong ano. Lucky Charm. Nakalimutan ko. I forgot that I'm not cooking. I was thinking of getting some fish for Tommy, but we don't stop at the grocery because he told me not to.
What? Who told you not to?
You did, Tommy. You said no. Do it in Walmart.
Want to say again?
You said to do it in Walmart.
I don't think so.
Ay, guys. So anyway, somebody's telling us that I'm hungry. I want the foodie. I want the foodie. Yeah? Kisses, Mama, babe. Kisses, babe. Ay, naku. Pagkahimos naman gitsa kong baby. Himos man. Oh, there's a lot of... What? Okay guys, linis lang ako dito guys, tapos na ng shelves. So linis ako para ilagay dito yung mga anik. Put that where it belong.
Go back in the garage.
Okay, let me clean the heck out of here. Wala nang gamit dito. Nilagay ko na sa basement yung gamit. Pero i-arrange ko yan not today, not tomorrow kasi aalis kami bukas. Itong bra ko ba, palagi na lang nahuhulog ba. So, aalis kami bukas. Punta kami sa New Rochelle. Magkuha ng ibang gamit and also what else? Kuha ng ibang gamit and throwing the garbage. Do we still have the garbage over there? We have to pick up some garbage, right? So, anyway, so we're having leftover again. Han, you still have your pasta, Han? Hindi ako nag-edit ngayong araw. Alam niyo ba kung anong ginawa ko? Nag-thumbnail na lang ako after kanina pagkatapos lahat-lahat ko dito naglinis. Nagta-thumbnail ako and yun. Ganyan yan siya, guys. That's how Tommy is. Always feeding Hubs. Even it's dinner time and later on, he won't eat. Ayaw talaga niyang kakain ng pagkain, guys. Kasi ano na, 5 o'clock na. Gipakaon pa talaga. Hey, why you give them?
One little tiny piece.
Tiny piece. And then tomorrow and later on, he won't eat, right? Because it's a tiny piece. Nagpisaw-pisaw ka dong.
can I give her an asset code for the film and then you can add that in later? I don't think so. I think every time we add something in, it changes the code. So that's what I told her. So she's gonna check with the company anyway, but I told her my guess would be no, it won't work that way. Just like the last time, the girl who used to do it told me, oh, give her this asset code. I said, you sure?
I know it doesn't work.
I said, you sure? Because that doesn't make sense to me. She goes, I know it doesn't make sense. The way you said it makes more sense. But she goes, that's the way it works. I said, okay, so that's what I gave her. And I double checked. And sure as shit didn't work. It worked.
I'm going to eat a little bit. How about you?
Yeah.
I'm just going to eat a little bit because later on I don't want to. So guys,
You want pork?
I'm going to have a little bit. I told you I'm not going to eat a lot. So anyway guys, we're gonna end the vlog kasi it's already napahinga lang din kami. We're gonna go tomorrow, Han. We're not gonna go there late because I wanna have time over there to look for garbage we throw out and things that we have to bring, okay? And here's the, okay? We're not gonna go late. What are you eating? What meat?
I have that last chicken leg, I guess.
You sure you like the pork? I know you like the pork. Don't give me that crap. Anyway, guys, bye. See you guys tomorrow. We will see you tomorrow. Right, love? See, bye-bye.
Guys. Hi, guys.
Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits tayo bukas. So, yun.